Did you hear that?
I heard it.
That sounded like metal. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back at Copart. This time we're at the sub lot because we actually won 2 cars today. But you guys are gonna have to wait and see them one at a time. Car number 1 is a 2008 PT Cruiser. This is a donation. It's a run and drive. It's got 98,000 miles on it. Carfax certifies it. Clean, everything's good. And this one Carfax shows as booking at, good Lord, come on now. Carfax shows that this thing books at $4 grand, and we got it for $1,380 out the door. Oh, the battery is down in the bumper, and the battery terminal has been removed. This is going to be fun. Oh boy. There's no battery in it at all. The battery is missing. Someone took the battery. Great. All right, it's going to be interesting figuring out how to get this thing home when there's no battery in it. That's going to make this real interesting. Now, this is a sight unseen. We did not check this car out first. You know how that goes. That's where we get our best deals. Look at this. It's even got a dash cover. This thing is clean. What a clean little car. All right. Let's see if we can get her out of here without crashing it into something. AC seems to be working. I think it's working because it's 104 degrees out here, folks. 104. Oh, okay. Well, the transmission seems to shift all right so far, at least in first gear. And yes, the AC is ice cold. This is a horrible road here, man. Looks like we got papers. Oh, there's mail and stuff up there. Car is yelling about the seat belt. I'm gonna take this, and for right now I'm gonna park it somewhere off of Copart property because they're about to close in like 5 minutes, and we'll come back and talk about it here in just a second. All right, so I'm hearing a little bit of a chatter from under here. Not too bad. It could be the booster pack or something sitting on here too. It's hard to say. But the air conditioning is working. I want to make sure before we go too far it's not overheating. But look at this thing. The tires are good. The body is in absolutely beautiful condition. Man, and you're going to have to go follow Mike Weird Beard because does this not open this way? I guess not. He's going to have this on his channel soon, assuming this thing will get us out of here and into the house safely. I'm going to put this... I'm gonna send this down to Mike immediately. Yeah, AC is nice and cold, man. I mean, nice and cold. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No check engine lights, nothing. These are the kind of deals that I'm talking about out here at Copart. But I don't want to go getting too carried away. We don't know that the transmission's we still got to make sure the transmission is all right. What do we got here? We got Felpro gasket, valve cover gasket. So it comes with a valve cover. Look how clean this is. Hopefully you can see, man. I mean, she is in absolutely beautiful condition. I can't figure out how to get this thing open. I figured there'd be a latch or something under here, but it doesn't look like it. I guess you got to use the key. Maybe it's under here. No? Either way, let's get it on the road. Let's see if we can get it home. We're gonna see if this thing has any gears here. You think I can make it off this curb?
I think so.
There we go.
Scrape. Use the oil pan.
Oh, it's gonna be on my side.
There we go. 2 more. Sounds like a pulley or something under there is making a little. It goes right away though. As soon as you give it some gas.
Yeah.
All right.
What that was?
She's dead.
Oh, it died? Oh no! Shit. I wonder what that was. What if it's that battery?
Did you hear that?
I heard it.
That sounded like metal or something.
I don't know. Let's get down and look at it.
We got Mike driving this time. I'm not doing it again. There's second gear.
Yeah, we got a shift. That was another shift, wasn't it?
That's third gear.
Yeah, alright. Doing good so far.
I think it's only a 4-speed.
Oh, there she went. She's gone.
What is the deal? And see how the gauges all come back?
Yep. As soon as it shifts, it dies. I don't know.
Great. Before we get any further, now that we're broke down in the middle of the road, I have got to give a shout out to Jump and Carry for the JNC 1224 that we got here. This thing is insane. It will start anything. And if you're doing this kind of thing, like, you know, breaking down the middle of the road multiple times in a short period of time, this thing will jump start your car every time. So I guarantee you she'll fire up now. Every time. So I'm wondering if we need to just leave the Jump and Carry like attached somehow and maybe just lower the hood without going so fast that it'll pull the hood up in the air and
God, I don't know.
Smash.
5 miles an hour. What's up? Will that thing just sit and charge this battery for a little bit?
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
Just try that.
Yeah, we can let it just sit and juice up a little bit. See if that does any good. That battery was good, but like I said, it's been sitting for a few months.
Where is the nearest? Maybe we should.
There's an AutoZone.
Should we just
It's an auto. Yeah, we may need to just go to AutoZone. That's probably the safest bet because you're gonna have to turn lights on to get back to the house, and if it can't make it with no lights on, it's not gonna make it like that. You know what the problem with this thing is? It says Daimler Chrysler. That's what's wrong with it. So Mike was just talking about roadkill.
We are roadkill right now.
It died again. We got to get all the way to the end of the road there. I don't think that's happening. Oh, we're Mike.
Skateboard here.
Yeah. Here, I'm too lazy to get out, but I will put my foot down and just come on. There we go. We'll get there. Hey there, babe. How's it going? This will be about the time for the police to stop and say, "Excuse me, sir, you have no plates on this car." We'll make it. We're coming on a downhill slope here. I think that's really going to help. Watch for the loose gravel. So the ladies are walking down there. Mike got behind it with a truck and pushed it. Hopefully we didn't damage anything. Nah, it's all right. Looks fine. A couple little scuffs probably didn't even come from the truck anyway. Now we just got to go get a battery and see if we can do this again without it dying on us. All right, we got a battery.
Better, huh?
Yeah, they tried to sell me one for $140. Said it was the only one they had. And then she tried selling me those little protectors, terminal protectors. And I said, look, man, I said, this is a flip car. That's all it is. Oh, yeah, I got it backwards. I said, we don't need terminal protectors. We don't need the most expensive. She said, you know what? She said, I know where a battery is. It'll work for half the price.
Oh, sweet.
So this battery was $69 versus $139. Oh, man. You think this is going to fix it?
I'm trying to be optimistic.
Trying it again. Brand new battery. So if it was low voltage causing the problem, it ain't anymore.
We've officially made it further than we've ever made it.
Yes, it's the furthest it's gone so far.
Well,
It seems to be riding all right. Drives fine, feels good.
too soon for declare victory? What do you think?
I mean, to me, it feels like it's riding fine.
It does. I'm going to turn around. I don't want to get too far away. I have no faith in this thing at this point.
Yeah, no. I think it's the battery.
I think so too.
Yeah, I think I think it'll be fine now. Seems to shift all right. Yeah, good shifts. I think it's all right, man. It means you can ride back with the AC on and everything.
Sweet. Gotta like that.
I wonder why it was at Copart though. I don't want to know. I don't want to.
Let's not push it.
For all you wondering, this was a donation, and so was the other car that I purchased. And mine, it ain't turned out so well on that one. But this one, I think this one's gonna be all right now. We'll find out because you got a road trip.
Yeah.
To get it home. So hey, you got to watch his video, find out how this thing went. I think it'll be all right. I do wonder what that dang chattering is. It's not the engine. You know, it's not the motor or anything.
And you just barely touch the pedal and it goes away.
Yeah. It's got to be a loose piece of plastic or something under there.
That's what I'm hoping is something
Yeah.
simple. I'm going to go ahead and turn this around.
I think it's going to be all right.
I'm going to pick these things up, not knowing what you got yourself into.
Yeah, the fun part is driving it. What is it, 45 minutes? 50 minutes, something like that? Yeah, that's going to be fun. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, the next part of this saga continues on his video, so you got to go over to Weird Beard and check his channel out because I'm rooting for you. I hope you make it home, but if not, it'll make for some great content.
Yeah.
Just give me a holler and I'll jump in the Chevy truck that's broke down at the gas station. we'll make a day of it.
Yeah.
All right, Mike's gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get out of here. Good seeing you again, Mike.
Yeah.
Good luck, man. And to all you guys watching, thank you. I appreciate you. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram, Auto Auction Rebuilds. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button. I appreciate it. I'd say thanks to Copart, but they closed and left us out here in the heat. So, no, I'm just kidding. They closed hours ago. Stay safe out there, everybody. I'll catch you all very soon in the next one.